You can train your dog or cat at home even if you failed every time you tried before. It doesn't matter if your pet is stubborn, too hyper, or just doesn't listen. There's a way to change their behavior, and you don't need to be an expert. All it takes is understanding a few key rules that most people get completely wrong. Most pet owners think their dog is just badly behaved or their cat is too independent to listen, but that's not true. The real problem is not your pet, it's the way you're trying to communicate. Dogs and cats don't speak our language. They learn from signals, patterns, and consistency. Once you understand that, training becomes 10 times easier. Here's where most people go wrong. They expect their pet to just know what's right and wrong. But animals don't think like humans. A dog isn't chewing your shoes to get revenge. A cat isn't scratching the couch to make you angry. They're just doing what feels natural to them. If you don't show them a better option, clearly and consistently, they'll never change. Now let's break this down into something simple you can apply today. First, start with one behavior, not 10, one. Pick something that's causing stress in your day. Maybe your dog jumps on people, or your cat won't stop climbing the kitchen counter. Whatever it is, focus only on that for the next few days. Consistency beats everything in pet training. The more times your pet sees the same pattern, the faster they'll learn. Second, use positive reinforcement. This means rewarding the good, not punishing the bad. If your dog sits calmly when someone comes to the door, praise them. Give them a treat. Let them know they got it right. If they jump, calmly turn away. No yelling, no pushing. Just remove the reward, your attention. For cats, if they use the scratch post instead of the couch, reward them immediately. Timing matters more than anything. A late reward means nothing to an animal. Third, keep sessions short. 5 to 10 minutes is enough. Pets, like people, get tired and distracted. It's better to do 3 short sessions a day than 1 long one, and always end on a win, even if it's something small. That way, your pet finishes the session feeling successful and motivated to keep going. Now here's the part most people miss. Your energy matters a lot. Dogs and cats are extremely sensitive to your tone, your posture, and your attitude. If you're frustrated, they'll feel it. If you're calm and focused, they'll mirror that energy. Training isn't just about what you do. It's about how you show up. If your dog won't stop barking, don't shout back. That only adds more noise. Instead, figure out what's triggering it. Is it boredom? Is it fear? Remove the trigger when possible, then redirect their focus to something else. A toy, a chew bone, even a simple sit command followed by praise. For cats, unwanted behaviors like biting or hiding often come from fear or overstimulation. The solution isn't to punish, but to understand the signals. If a cat's tail is flicking fast, ears back, and body tense, they're overstimulated. Back off. Give them space. You can't train a stressed animal. Calm first, then teach. One powerful trick is to use their daily routines as training moments. Before you feed your dog, ask for a sit. Before you open the door, ask for stay. These small moments teach your pet that good things happen when they listen. It turns everyday life into a natural part of training. And finally, remember this. Your pet wants to please you. Even cats, yes, cats too, respond to attention and routine. But they need to understand what you expect. You're not just training your dog or cat, you're building a shared language. A way to live together without stress, frustration, or confusion. You don't need a fancy course or expensive tools. You don't need to yell or be alpha. What you need is clarity, patience, and the right method. And the results? A calm home, a happy pet, and a stronger bond between you and the animal you love. So start today. Choose one behavior. Reward the good. Be clear. Be calm. And watch the changes happen, sometimes faster than you ever expected. If you're serious about making training easier and more effective, click the link in the description now. You'll get access to a complete pet training system that shows you exactly what to do, step by step. Don't wait. Your pet is ready to learn, and you're ready to become the trainer they need. Thanks for watching.